Yo, so I appreciate y'all coming through. Today I have a new pair of slippers that just came in. Some random ass shit I decided to get. So I just thought I'd unbox it. I got it from Italyst, so I got a cool little deal on these. I didn't pay full price. Some balenciagas. So this comes in your classic. And there's the slipper. Small tag. I purchased these just because I wanted to be on some chill shit with them, and just to have something new in my rotation. Just vibe with. Something comfortable too, just to slip on, cause you know it is. But this is what they look like. I love the color. Like the only detail they have on them is what they say balenciaga, but these are the Alaska slippers. This shit already feels comfortable. One more. But yeah, these are it though. Nothing insane, nothing crazy, but I like that it has this bottom piece though. I had realized that they also have these on the slippers, and I hadn't known that, but it makes sense, like in terms of like practicality, to actually be wearing around rather than it being like a flimsy under, because then that would just be trash. It would definitely not be as worth it. I love the bottom of these. It just has Balenciaga embossed in the bottom. It's the only detail. I got them in a size 42. I'm usually a size 9.5. Yeah, very simple. I like them. Like I said, I really bought them just because like I've been on a lot more calmer shit lately, and I see that only continuing to the future. So just wanted to get something that's relaxing, easy to slip on, and I just obviously wear anytime I fucking want. But I just love the subtle detail anyways of it just saying Balenciaga. It's like I love the font they used. These are the insides. All fluffy. So one thing I actually like though that I actually need to mention is that they are still enlarged sort of silhouette. They definitely are a little bit bulkier. As Balenciaga loves doing, which I like too. So I'm gonna do it on feet for y'all real quick. Little side.